Good morning. This is Paula Juleson coming at you. And I'm just going to show you what I do in case of a sore throat or a cold, or even as a preventative every day, especially in the winter months. As you all know, I babysit my grandchildren every day, and even though they're cute, they are walking germs. And I'm also a daytime bartender, and I manage a tavern here in town, and everybody else works. So it's really hard to find somebody to cover my shift. So I really try hard not to get sick so that I can continue to babysit my grandchildren and work when needed. So for those of you that have purchased a premium starter kit, the most important bottle of oil in your kit will be the Thieves. This is a 15 milliliter. I got that one free with my order last month. And then this is the one that you get in your starter kit. This is the same oil as that, but it has to have a different label on it that says Vitality, because you can ingest both, but the FDA requires us to label them separately. So yeah, just a little tidbit of information. This is the most important oil that you have in your starter kit. And if you have it in your kit with the cap on, collecting dust, then you're not getting all the good benefits of it. Okay? This stuff is magic. I'm not kidding you. This stuff is found in our Thieves hand soap, our Thieves dishwashing liquid, our Thieves laundry detergent, our Thieves waterless hand purifier, our Thieves cleaner, our Thieves spray, my Thieves toothpaste. Okay? Most important oil, I believe, that you have in your kit, and you need to use this every day. You need to use it every day. Okay? You get sick and you use it once, it's not going to work right away. It's not going to cure anything. I mean, you have to keep up your body's immunity, and you have to use it every day. You have to diffuse it. Rub it on the bottom of your feet where your pores are the largest in your body. Rub it on the bottom of your children's feet. It's safe for your children. Just rub it on the bottom of their little feet. Put it in a tea. That's what I'm doing. This is the best cold, sore throat, flu, help along that you can get, or that you can use every day to prevent altogether. So what I have is I have green tea. You can use black tea. You can use spiced tea. And this has been steeping for a while. You need to have tea that's warm enough to drink. If it's too hot to drink, then it's too hot to put your oils in, because you don't want them to dissipate and evaporate. Okay? So what I do is, once it's cool enough, I add some pure honey for sweetness. All right? And then, it doesn't matter which one you use, but for the purpose of the video, I will use the Thieves Vitality so that I am compliant. Okay? And it's got this little dispenser, little cap on there, and it comes out 1 drop at a time. So all you do is you just tip it, and you only want 1 drop. It's very potent. You don't want a lot. Let me see if I can get it. You just shake it 1 time, and it should come out. There you go. All right? Just 1 drop is all you need. And if you have lemon oil, put a drop of lemon oil in there too. That will help soothe. Okay? So that's what you do. All right? And it's got a clove, cinnamony taste to it. It's very good, especially in tea with some honey. And another thing I do every day, I drink 2 ounces of Ninja Red. The most powerful superfood I think you can find in a drink to maintain health and to support your immunity. You can drink this in a tea also. Once again, it's got a real tangy, the wolfberry puree, and it's real tangy. It's not tomato. That's wolfberry, the red that you see. It's puree. And it's good. Keep it cold once you open your bottle, or you can purchase it in individual little packets. Put them in the fridge. They're really, really good cold. Or you can pour in your tea. You can pour a little bit in your tea. Just make sure it's not, once again, too hot, because it is infused with oils and you don't want them to evaporate. You don't want to kill off all the goodness that this bottle holds. So drink your Ninja and drink your Thieves. Put your Thieves on the bottom of your feet. Put your Thieves in your diffuser. Today I have Thieves and cinnamon bark in my diffuser, and it smells so good. Do this every day to help keep you healthy, or to help make you healthy again. All right, have a great day. Talk to you later.